In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form in Google Sites. A contact form is one of the easiest ways to let visitors reach you without exposing your email address. It keeps messages organized and sends everything straight into your Google account so you can review responses in one place. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Google Sites and edit your site. Head to the site you're working on and make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the editing toolbar and the panels around your page. Navigate to the specific page or section where you want the contact form to appear. Placing it near your About or Contact page usually makes it easy for visitors to find. Next, look at the right-hand panel and click Insert. This panel is your toolbox for adding content to your page, and it includes text boxes, images, layouts, and more. We're going to use it to bring in a form that collects messages from your visitors. From there, select Forms. This opens a picker that shows your available Google Forms. If you've already built a contact form in Google Forms, you'll see it listed here. If not, don't worry, you can create one on the spot. Now, choose an existing Google form or create one. If you already have a form set up, simply click it to select it. If you're creating a new one, you'll be taken to Google Forms to build it. Keep your form simple and clear. A name field, an email field, and a message field are typically all you need. Mark important fields as required so you always get the essentials. Keep your questions straightforward and avoid asking for sensitive information you don't need. A short confirmation message in the form can reassure visitors that their message was sent. Once your form is ready, click Insert to add it to the page. The form will appear embedded right where your cursor was placed. You'll see it as a frame on your page, and you can drag it to adjust placement or use the blue handles to resize it for better spacing. Make sure it's easy to read and fits well within your page layout. The best part is that any changes you make to the form later in Google Forms will update automatically in your site, so you don't have to re-embed anything. All responses will land in the Forms Responses tab, keeping everything organized without extra setup. And that's it. Your Google Sites page now has a functional contact form ready to collect messages from your visitors.